I keep trying to buy the dip, but like you said earlier, the dip keep like dipping lower and lower.
Yeah, this is very difficult judgment to make, really. How do you judge when the market is really at the lowest? Like this year, the lowest is 18,235, and then the market bounces back, and then at the 22,000 level, and then you fell again, and then toward the 20,000 level. I think from experience or from technical analysis, you say that whenever it's below 20,000, I think you can buy.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
But above 22,000, then you should sell. So that is what a short-term investor should be looking at. Like on Tuesday, when Nancy Pelosi visited Taiwan, the market bam crashed.
Right.
Okay, and I think that makes a good case when that you can buy on the dip. But this doesn't happen all the time. But it does sometimes happen. But also remember, for the past 10 years, every time the Hang Seng Index reaches something like 30,000, it will fall 10,000 points.
Right.
Remember that. So that is a pattern you have to remember. Like Dow Jones, which is the highest, something like 36,000, and then it fell to 29,000. So at the 30,000 level, I think you can buy. So I think this is based on I think market sense or a little bit of technical analysis. For sure, you can do it, but nobody knows when the market is at the highest or the lowest.
Right. Okay, but most of the time when we see, say, when it's 30,000 or at a high point, there are always rumors that we are looking at 50,000.
Yeah, everybody said that. Somebody said 40,000 or 50,000, but don't trust them. Something will go wrong.
Thank you so much, Mr. Lam.
You're welcome.
Thank you.